What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your Thirsty Thursday, and we're going to look at some lotto picks for tomorrow. Guys, I'm sorry this is coming out so late. I was extremely busy today taking care of some business, but I'm going to get you guys a good video, and we're going to go out there and make some money. So let's get it. All right, team, and welcome back. Guys, we want to invite you to come trade with the bulls, and with truly something for everyone on Traders War Room, we got you covered. Whether you want the real-time buy and sell alerts, the algo signals, the live bell-to-bell trading, or one-on-one mentoring, there's something for everyone and every type of trader. So come check us out at traderswarroom.com. Real quick, let's check out some alerts that we pushed out here recently. Here at Traders War Room, we are not risk adverse, we are just risk tolerant. So we went ahead and took a SPY risky trade, and we were able to trim out with some profits, and we went ahead and swung the rest of the trade to see what we got at the market bell tomorrow. Trimmed out of some of our positions in some of the banks. Wells Fargo did very well, and Bank of America, both providing some decent profit. And guys, we are definitely holding on to still some of the runners and some of the open positions because we see a lot more in these tickers and we got a lot of time. And when you're looking at these guys, don't forget to check that time and date stamp so you know we keep it legit. We went ahead and closed out a CVS with 50% of our position gone. And guys, we still have not triggered on our YouTube trade that we put out the other day on the Sunday Motivator. So definitely keep a lookout for that because we're still actively looking to go ahead and get into that one and destroy that. And team, any of you that followed me for a while, you guys know we keep it very consistent at Traders War Room. And so I ask you, if you want consistent alerts like these, then all you have to do is join Traders War Room. And team, any of you that have followed me for a while now, you guys know that we keep it very consistent at Traders War Room. So I ask you, if you want consistent alerts like these, then all you got to do is join Traders War Room and come and get some with the bulls. All right, we're going to dig into this real quick. What's hot and what's not. All right, so here's how your markets closed across the board. Definitely got some bullish sentiment coming in here with hopes of a soft landing, but do not get fooled out. There is still plenty of big money that is very bearish on long-term sentiments. So we ride the wave with the momentum. We make the money going either way the market gives us, but we stay consistent with the idea for the big money is still scared on long-term investments. So you have to keep that at the forefront of your mind. All right, green across the board on futures, which means we are poised for potentially opening higher. However, do not get all spun out on these. These are just a glimpse into what could be, not what will be. And we have to play the market for what the market gives us when that bell rings. All right, here's your industry heat map. We had financials and healthcare that were booming, and consumer staples and consumer communication services were the most laggers. All right, here is your heat map of industries, guys. Financials and healthcare, we're killing it today with consumer staples and communication services lagging. Dark pool orders giving us an idea where some big money is flowing. You got SPY, you got DOCU, TMO, Apple, KO, NVDA, LQD, AVGO, Microsoft, and Met. So some of the big boys over there definitely got some cycling of some big money popping in. Calls versus puts. A little bit more on the bullish side of the house currently right now with that sentiment that we got going in for a potential soft landing. So we're definitely playing this. Guys, remember, I tell you all the time, we follow where the big money is flowing. We follow the momentum if we're trading, okay? If we're investing, it's a totally different strategy, but we're talking about trading here. So we follow the trend, we follow the momentum, and we'll make money going both ways, either up or down, sideways. It doesn't matter. Traders War Room, going to give you that fire to get your guys' pockets full. And here's your top trending tickers. Lots of names that you guys have seen before. We're starting to get some of those sentiment coming back in, at least short term, and some of the speculative trades. So definitely paying attention, and we got some of the charts coming up here in a few on some of these tickers. All right, and so here's what got the market all spun out into the bullish stance. The Fed's soft landing hopes alive as it edges towards another big rate hike. So the Federal Reserve is strongly committed to fighting inflation and remains hopeful that it can be done without the very high social costs involved in prior campaigns to control surging prices. So we're definitely paying attention to this. The hopes are there. However, the big money that is for longevity and investing is not present. So people are trading the market for what the market gives them currently, riding that momentum just like us. Here's some bullish news on a communication staple, and I do like this ticker, and this is one of my long-term favorites. T-Mobile announces a $14 billion share buyback, and so basically on Thursday it announced the $14 billion buyback that will run till September next year as it seeks to reward shareholders for faring better than the rivals. Definitely paying attention to that, and we got the chart coming up here in a few. And some news for you crypto lovers. So the explainer, understanding Ethereum's major merge upgrades. So the blockchain and underpins of the world's second largest crypto token earlier will soon undergo a major software upgrade that promises to slash the amount of energy needed to create new coins and carry out transactions. So definitely paying attention to this, because this is one of the big things with the crypto and the blockchain technology was the data usage and the power needed to generate all the mining facilities and stuff like that. So it's definitely interesting news, and I'm looking forward to seeing what they unveil. All right, with that said, let's check out some charts. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give SPY a short-term bull stance right now. I think that we've seen a little bit of a downward trend and we hit a rejection point and we're due for a little bit of relief. So I do like this for continuation to the upside. However, I do think we're going to hit that threshold sooner than later, maybe around 410, maybe 415, and then we'll see that rejection from the top coming back down to the downside. When I was watching the financial sector today, all I could think about was that song by Nims, This Is Why I'm Hot. Guys, the financial sector was booming today. So definitely, I'm liking this for continuation to the upside. I think we got a little bit more to go, potentially 35, 36 bucks. We could even be looking at a breakout if the sentiment stays rolling inside of the financial sector. All right, so as long as the sentiment stays positive, Tesla will continue to go up. I think we have a little bit more we can continue to the upside before we hit a threshold where we'll see another cool down period. So I do like this for a short-term bull play. We ride the momentum until the momentum stops, and then we'll go ahead and switch our trades over into the put side of the house. All right, Baba, I'm bearish on this. Even though we're seeing a little bit of consolidation and potentially a little bit of relief from this lower level, I think that we fail from a breakout and we come back down even further. DVN, man, I love this ticker, guys, and I'm thinking we got continuation to the upside. We could see a little bit of a downward trend, but this is one of those longer trades. So we'll be looking out until October, potentially even into the end of the year and going into 2023 for some leap trades. But this one is definitely one you need to keep your eye on and pay attention to, because I got a feeling sooner than later this thing's going to break out currently from where it's at, and we're going to go up to reaching new highs. I'm going to go ahead and give this one the bull, guys. This was always never a matter of if, it was a matter of when. I think we've kind of hit the floor, and I think it's due for a little bit of a retest to some recent highs, and I think we can go up there and see what we got going into it. So I do like Meta moving forward, so I'm bullish on this. I think if you push out long enough, you can get yourself a decent swing trade off this. Google, it kind of had an off day today, and that's not an issue. I think down here where we're at, we're kind of consolidating in this falling wedge. And what I like about falling wedges is once we hit that threshold at the bottom, they usually spike very quickly to the upside. So I'm bullish on this one going out. I think you push out 2 or 3 weeks and you can make some money off of some calls at the money, in the money. I get it, it's popular. PIXY was on everybody's lips today when they were talking, but guys, too much, too soon, and this thing is going to hit a threshold at the top and we're going to come back down. So definitely looking at PIXY to the downside. DOCU, I'm bullish on this at current levels. I think we hit our bottom threshold, and I think we got a little bit more of an incline to go for some continuation. So I do like this for a push to the upside. I'm going to give this the 50-50. This is Neo, guys. Our YouTube trade that we pushed out on Sunday's motivator, we still haven't triggered yet, so we're still patiently waiting for our trigger to go, and when we get it, we're going to go ahead and hit it either to the top side or to the bottom side. But it's been trading in a particular range. Looking at the chart, it looks like we're falling a little bit, but from these broadening formations, what usually happens is we can see a dramatic spike up to the upside. we can catch that with some calls, and then we can run it back down to the downside. So definitely paying attention to this. Looks like we want to go and try to go up to those higher levels, which is fine and dandy, but be careful for the sharp decline because it's going to hit a threshold. People are going to start selling, and we want to be able to catch both the momentum up and the momentum down. And T-Mobile, guys, with this chart right here, man, look at that chart. This is ready for a breakout, okay? We're looking at, you know, a nice broadening wedge right there. And what I like about this is they got the bullish news, okay? They got the buyback. They got a fantastic platform that has came leaps and bounds and is one of the best platforms for inside of the city with 5G technologies. T-Mobile is a beast, and I think they're going to come out and they're looking for a breakout. So definitely bullish on this one. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon and very soon, this thing is going to take off and we're going to break out from where we're at currently, and we're going to seize new highs. All right, team, that's it with the main part of the video. Next up is hot upcoming Traders War Room products and services. If you're not into that, stop the video right now. Thank you for coming along with us, and as always, let's go to war. But if you're wanting to rock with me and see what I got in store, then let's go ahead and get it. All right, so let's highlight the Traders War Room products and services that we provide. Guys, we got something for everyone. Whether you want a free member in a community to grow with, we got that. You want to get some paid services and get some of those real-time alerts, some live trading, one-on-one mentoring, some trading classes, we got you covered, guys. Truly something for everyone, every budget, and every type of style. Come trade with the bulls and come and get some. You want a simpler way to trade? Well, check out Traders War Room Instant Message Alerts, guys. 2 platforms, 2 channels right here. You got the alerts lounge and you got the alerts channel. Inside the channel, you get all that fire alerts that make you that money. And in the lounge, you can hang out and chit chat with some of the other members. This thing is growing every day, and we got a fantastic community over there. So if you want less noise and just alerts, then go ahead and try us out on the instant message alerts. Struggling to become consistently profitable? Traders War Room can help you out. Go ahead and book your session for a one-on-one mentoring and allow our professionals to help develop your skills, gain confidence, receive guidance, refine your strategies, get that pro perspective, and also explore new plans of attack. Guys, it's okay to need some help, and it's always best to get it from professionals that have been there and have done that and are successful. Traders War Room wants to make you that successful person, so go ahead and book your session, get a mentor with us, and every paid person that gets the mentor session receives it recorded for a tool and a reference point later. Book today, traderswarroom.com. And finally, every battle needs a plan, and we want you to build yours with Traders War Room. Check out some of our upcoming classes that we have in store, or get on there and get a historical class so that you can learn various topics, various styles, various ways to get out there and make money, all taught by professionals, all for 15 bucks. If you get the upcoming classes, you receive your recorded copy via email after the live presentation. If it's a historical class, you purchase and you watch it on the website 24/7, just like you would any other video platform like YouTube. Fantastic quality and quantity for the price, and we're offering it to you guys. Check us out and see what we have in store at traderswarroom.com. All right, team, guys, and with that said, we want you to quit wasting that money that's not making money. You guys should come join Traders War Room today. Check in the bio. The links are right there. traderswarroom.com for more information. Here's some links to all of our products and services that are the most popular. Guys, we want you to come along with us on the journey and come and get some. All right, team, and from all the staff at Traders War Room, I want to say thank you for coming along with us on the journey. And as always, we look at the stock market like it's a war zone. Stocks and sector, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, destroy, and we're always going to war. If that's something you can get down with, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's get it.